Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to get 4K quality on After Effects. After you finished your edit, you want to add some effects to the video to make it sharper. We are using the effects Sharpen and Unsharp Mask. You put them both on your pre-composed clip and put these settings. Putting these effects in your video will help the Topaz AI to make your video look better. Now, once we added these effects, we can just export the video. I personally use the application Adobe Media Encoder. I think it's the best way to export your videos to your PC. So here we want to put our format. I recommend you to use the H.264 format, and here I would put this one, high bitrate, and once you did this you can press OK and render your video. So once your edit is done, you can open the application Topaz Video Enhance AI. And here you can drag your finished clip with the effects applied, sharpen and unsharp mask. And here I recommend you to put these settings on to get the best quality. Once your clip is done rendering from the Topaz AI, you want to paste it again. I think the best is to create another composition, and then you can put your clip on it. You can see it's big instead of on your right shape, so we do right click, transform, and put fit to comp. This will adjust the frame to the right format. If you want your edit to look even better, it is good to add a custom color correction. For this one, I'm adding the CC from Lauder. I'm going to put you the link on my description for you free to download. And once you add this, your video should be done. I hope I could help you with my video, and please, I will consider you to subscribe so you can no longer miss other videos. Thank you and bye.